G'day guys, it's Rob from TAT. Just got a super quick tip on replacing a body control module on a Ford Focus today. Stick with us. Okay, so the vehicle's already gone. It's not the vehicle behind us, obviously. It was a 2011 Ford Focus model with a body control module that needed to be replaced. What I wanted to explain to you is that we had a massive issue with replacing this body control module because there were no dash lights, absolutely zero dash lights, zero infotainment lights. So when we put the new body control module in, nothing was powering up, and it was a bit of a head scratcher, but I'll show you why. Look, if you look at these photos, these two fuse boxes look almost exactly the same. There's an extra fuse here that we obviously took out because the original one did not have it, but they look exactly the same. The only difference is the blue plug had a few more pins in it. But confirming with multiple Ford dealers that 100% this was the right part number. But the issue is that we weren't told, and nobody appears to know this, but if you do, then fantastic. But this body control module has been superseded so many times with hardware changes inside that there's a special note on the Ford parts catalogue for previous part numbers that were superseded, not this particular latest one, that when replacing a body control module on these vehicles with a superseded part, you have to add a fuse to a spot where there is no fuse on the original one. So unless you knew that, it would be impossible to obviously sort of work that out or figure out what the heck's going on. Basically, what they want you to do is add a 25 amp to fuse 88, which is obviously blank on the original body control module. But that was basically the issue. All we had to do was put a 25 amp in that fuse 88 and everything was back to normal. So I just want to thank Russell Maliki, a great bloke, great friend. And to be honest with you, if it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't have figured this out. So thanks, Russell. And here's a little tidbit for you. If you ever have to replace a Ford Focus body control module and you get no dash lights, then that is your issue. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.